Here's a quick video on how we can use key levels and reading of price action to find breakouts and get into stocks that we think will move. In this example, I'm using CRWV, which is a stock that I recently talked about on one of my videos, where the stock came back down from a push of 140 and came down to the 65 level, hitting this area twice. I marked this level with the yellow line, signifying a key level at 65. I also added these additional lines at other levels that I think are significant for CRWV. Basically, the stock came down from 140, tapping 65 multiple times. This is why I define this as a key level of support. Because CRWV had been making a lower high here at 90, I was looking for a breakout above this area. So when CRWV eventually went to go test 90, which is an area of resistance, and came back down, once this hold of 65 was good, then we could see that longs were interested in above this level. In the preceding days after the test of 85 and rejection, we saw last week quite a bit of price action that determined consolidation. So if we look at these candles here, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles of very tight price between 75 and 80. So as I'm looking at this downtrend, we could say that this consolidation was leading up to a potential breakout above this trend. Going into this 85 to 90 zone, because we did get quite a bit of volume on today's Monday session, we did get a close around 90. I could say that CRWV potentially could see 100 and above. With these key levels marked out, I'm looking for CRWV between this area and 105, possibly 115, if it can continue to hold above 90 to 85. So this is how I can use key levels and key areas of support and resistance and trend to determine whether I want to get into calls or puts.